When big media corporations and governments align, they form a powerful influence over public opinion. This trio's impact was particularly evident during COVID-19 pandemic, a global crisis that changed everyday life and revealed how dominant narratives are shaped. The saga begins with pharmaceutical companies poised to earn billions from vaccine sales. With the world in crisis mode, some government officials, overwhelmed and underprepared, leaned heavily on these companies and certain scientists and doctors who supported a narrative of fear and control. The mainstream media, often criticized for its proximity to power and owned by public corporations, amplified this narrative, showing their stripes as the mouthpiece for power. Consider the case of Dr. Laura Bowden, a Stanford-trained ENT specialist from Houston who treated over 6,000 COVID-19 patients. Dr. Bowden utilized Ivermectin, a drug awarded a Nobel Prize in 2015 and praised for its effectiveness in various treatments. Like many doctors, when COVID-19 hit, Dr. Bowden sought effective treatments, including ivermectin, which she found beneficial for her patients without side effects. Despite its prior accolades and her positive clinical results, the drug quickly became controversial. The case of Dr. Laura Bowden and her use of ivermectin for treatment of COVID-19 serves as a vivid example of the clash between corporate interests and public health. Despite the drug's Nobel Prize, narratives that seemed to protect the economic interest of vaccine manufacturers began to circulate, discouraging its use by the FDA and other agencies. This undermines doctors like Dr. Bowden, who had firsthand experience with its benefits. As a result, Dr. Bowden faced significant professional challenges. She encountered opposition from pharmacies that denied her prescriptions, received online attacks, and ultimately resigned from her hospital position. Her story didn't end there, though. She took legal action against the FDA, arguing that they had overstepped by publicly discrediting ivermectin without direct clinical experience. And she won. The case of Dr. Bowden and ivermectin underscores the crucial lesson of questioning authority and seeking multiple perspectives, particularly when significant financial interest and power dynamics are at play. As informed citizens, it's essential for us to delve deeper than the headlines and comprehend the complex interplay of the interests that can shape the information that we receive. In other words, don't believe everything you read, especially if it's from the government or big business. As we move forward, it is crucial to recognize and understand the influence of the cabal, or any group wielding disappropriate power. We must look deeper and decide how we will react to overreaching power and disinformation. The stronger we are mentally and physically, the more effective we will be in standing up to the cabal.